My name is Audrey Ante. I'm a professor of English at Florida State College of Jacksonville, and I am also one of the assistant directors for our Academy for Teaching and Learning. I was first introduced to Quality Matters in one of my graduate courses for my doctorate in educational technology. I also took an instructional design class and was sort of amazed at all of the different standards and guidelines that exist for different types, I guess, of course design or training design, depending on whether or not it's K-12 or higher ed. And so that kind of made me more curious about Quality Matters. And with my organization supporting me, I went through the Quality Matters rubric training about 3 years ago and became a certified peer reviewer. And so now I'm continuing my professional development by trying to learn more about how to make sure courses are accessible, and also, how I can use what I've learned to help my colleagues, other faculty at the college, also learn more about accessibility in their courses.